For this assignment, we'll be working with the color wheel, specifically the Newtonian color wheel that was developed by Sir Isaac Newton. So this is the color wheel you probably all worked with in elementary school using red, blue, and yellow. With the paints that I gave you earlier, I gave you one type which was labeled fire red, one that was labeled phthalo blue, and one that was labeled lemon yellow. These are your primary colors in my little containers here, little red, blue, and yellow that are in the primary family. So these are the three colors you'll be using for this exercise. You'll also need some sort of a paintbrush. You could use the ones I gave you if you choose. But if you do have a simple little artist paintbrush or something that you might have laying around from a previous art project, those will work fine for this. You'll need a pencil. You'll need some sort of container of water. All right, I have a little pail here of water. You will need something to use as a paint palette. In this case, I like to use these kind of storage containers, sort of like a Ziploc-y kind of thing. These are great for, because then I can cover up my paint afterwards, and it'll keep it fresh longer. It won't dry up immediately. So a little plastic tray is always good. And then you'll need your 11 by 17 paper. I recommend Bristol. Bristol is a very good paper that's very much like a cardboard. It has a lot more thickness to it than, say, printer paper. So we'll use this as our painting surface. You can see I have many of them in this book here. We'll need one for every project moving forward, including your final project. So to recap, you'll need Bristol board. You'll need something to use as a paint palette. That could either be a paper plate, a plate, one of these little plastic containers, little leftovers containers, a container of water, your colors, lemon yellow, phthalo blue, and fire red. You'll need a paintbrush or two, and then you'll need a pencil. All right, let's get started.